It's William with the Riverstone Life, and you know what? We're going to talk about this other review that we have. If you watch my ultimate truck video, I actually show this in there, but this is actually the video talking about this. Thought I'd throw this out there because a lot of you guys reach out to me all the time looking for a dash cam, and for what this costs and what some of the dash cams cost out there, I think this is a better way to go just because you get so many other options. Me, I'm not using it. I do use the dash cam and I do use it for the backup camera. I have it stationary so that I can use it for when I'm backing up the fifth wheels because the camera system on this truck with the bed cap on it makes it so hard to see. This makes it work perfect. So I'll show you real quick what I got here. But this thing retails anywhere from $125 to $139, depending where you buy it, certain times of the year. Sometimes it's on Amazon. We will put the link in the description below, taking you right to the company. The company's called Ottocast. Ottocast. They make lots of products like this. But we'll put it in the link below, and you can click on there and you can find this product. So if you're looking for a dash cam, it's perfect for that. You're looking for a backup camera, perfect for that. If you're looking for a camera that you can mount to position it to where you want it to keep an eye on things, I have it set back there so that I can use it to back up the fifth wheels. I also have it back there if I'm hooked to a fifth wheel and I'm parked somewhere, I can watch the back of the truck, it's my own little security thing to keep an eye on everything back there. The camera, it's got over a 10-inch display. I'll show it to you here in a second. But it also has Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. So if you have an older vehicle, not like ours, we don't need it because it already has that built into it. But if you have an older vehicle that does not have those options, here's another thing. You can spend $100 on a dash cam, all you get's a dash cam. Spend $139 on this thing, get a dash cam, get a backup camera, and get Apple CarPlay, and you can run all your apps through there too. So we'll show you that in a minute. But let's walk out back here real quick and I'll show you the other camera that I mounted. Yeah, see that little camera right there? Yes, you have to hardwire it, but it gives you a really, really long cable, so I had no problems hardwiring it in this truck. And you can see that it goes down there, it goes down in through my box where all my other wiring goes through, comes all the way up to the unit right there. So let's just climb in here and show you this thing. And that's what the Apple CarPlay looks like, just like that. I mean, it has everything. You've got all the apps that I got, so you can run Waze, I think is what it's called, Waze. You got Google Maps. Let's go back there again. Drive weather. I mean, you've got On the Way. This is the one I use all the time. But you've got everything. You've got your music. You got your music and everything. Your text messages, all that stuff. So then you can go to Auto or Android Auto, Wi-Fi video, Bluetooth music. Your dash cam's right there. You click in your backup cameras there. You can record. You can just driving down the road and just snap a picture. You can have it set up to, this thing pretty much records so many, I don't remember how many seconds. Every second it takes a little short video. You got a memory card slot in the back, micro SD memory card in the back. I think I got 128 in this one. But you can see how nice it fits there. I like the angle of it. I just like the angle of it. I mean, really got a good view of the dash cam up there. Plus the thing is adjustable, so you can go all the way down, all the way up, so you can mount it differently, so you can get more view. You can tilt it more like this if you don't want that dash in there like that, to get more of it that way. But I don't really use it a lot for that. I just use it for the backup camera. When I get ready to back up to a fifth wheel, or when I'm parked in a location at night, I'll click it on for that. And you can also control all the other settings. You can update the firmware, you can factory reset it, format it, date, time, language. You can put up your own screensaver, so you can take one of your pictures off your phone and put it as a screensaver on here. Pretty much can control everything on there. But pretty much the only thing I use it for is the dash camera and the rear backup camera. But if you don't have Apple CarPlay already in yours, or you have an Android phone, it'll work for the Android too. Give you kind of the settings there. But that's what we have. So it's something to check into, guys, if you're looking for a dash cam and you'd rather get a little bit more for your money. Ottocast, it's their 10-inch display, and you have to look because they have different ones. They have ones that don't have the backup camera and they don't have the dash cam. You can buy this thing if you just want Apple CarPlay for like $89. But if you want to get the rear camera and the dash cam like that, then you're going to spend like $139. But everything will be down in the description below.